Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, I'm discuss very important topic about that video marketing by using Facebook and what is the Facebook monetization, how the earning money from the Facebook also. So major one, if you are earning money from the Facebook, anyone, the first one is called people first looking for the earning money from Facebook here. So when it is possible, so when people is watching the video, the based on the views and your page followers, no views, no followers, nothing will be worked on the particular video, and video will be completely need minimum 3 minutes. So that is called more than 3 minutes. You can compulsory you can go with the option will be here. So the view will be dependent option will be complete for 3 minutes and views. So these are compulsory. You have to play the particular every video marketing on Facebook purpose. Now, how we can upload the video? First of all, video uploading will be three procedure: single video uploading, multiple video, one video uploading for in the multiple pages, and one page we can upload the multiple videos. Here we can upload one video, one page. Second option, you can upload multiple video in one page. Two options, single video and a multiple video. Third one video uploading for multiple pages. So these are the option will be given by the particular video. So I'll show the first of all one video uploading procedure. Select the video uploading and where is exact video, select it. So video selection is more important. So I'm selecting the video and copy the title. Any video uploading time, you should be maintain the proper option. So you can selecting for any page. So here we can use a proper title, description, proper tag and playlist. How we can upload the video on the YouTube, same will be uploading for the Facebook option will be here. So yeah, add your title, add your description, next add your tag. So what are the tag here? Add your tag. Next, we can add the what are the priority? Add the thumbnail also. Okay, first video time is compressor mention, title, description, and keywords here. So what are the options we can add? The tags will be here. When show in the below option, the tag is acceptable in your particular Facebook option. So it's done. After that, they can give you some option, education and learning. So what is education will be you are providing, they will be can add the particular option. So that all will be we can give this in a particular option. So here we're providing teaching method. So after this one, so what are the options are looking for here? Video is ready. Here is the select language, English. So we can go up, optimization, everything is clear. Next thumbnail, any caption, turn on, polls. If you want anything as the polls in a particular timings, you can add the poll here. Are you insane? Simple. This will be option will be given yes or no. Why I'm adding end option? That is the people know about the complete future purpose tracking. So it will be education, Facebook, Facebook marketing. Next option, go to next. Here, see earning purpose. video at least 3 minutes long are shown more people. Video description help people find our video with a description that makes it stand out. Tax is done. ST video. What are missing for playlist? Where are missing for playlist? So where is a playlist here? Here is a playlist. So you can add n number of playlist. The no restriction for adding the playlist option. We can add the playlist. We can reaching for more audience under particular audience purpose. So here and this. What are the playlists you have? You can select the all playlists will be here. So these are all playlists we can select and here. Finally, the 4 option will be here. Why we can add the 3 minutes? So Facebook monetization, there is a views longer than 3 minutes and 1000 followers and 10,000 followers, the earning will be suitable. The earning will be suitable. So that is called, these are the 5 steps compulsory mandatory. 3 minutes long, video description, tags, SD quality video, and playlist, add your services. What are the services here? We can go your here. Reach new audience to grow your business with this service option. Finally, we have the multiple options are there. Publish now, on time publish. Premiere, the minimum required time will be 15 minutes. The minimum time required for the 15 minutes up to 7 days. Nothing but 160 hours. 168 hours. So here we'll be adding in this. So here 11. Go with this exact 11:10. I'm scheduled the post. This video will be showed to the customer with the Facebook Premiere option. That mean by live show the customers the particular video. The video will be should compulsory maintain this kind of proper optimization. 3 minutes long video compulsory required to earning money from Facebook. The video views earning money from users through pay the amount here. So these are the options you have to follow this to earning money from through Facebook option. Finally, remove this option, premiere and publish it. The video going to publish to the reaching the Facebook live option. This is the option we can follow this one to the reach the public audience, and Facebook monetization will be eligible for the more than 3 minutes video, the based on the watch and followers. 3 minutes video is the first step. Second one is your followers, 1000 and 10,000 followers. These are the option you have to follow this one to enable monetization on your Facebook page. This is earning for money that all will be showing to the particular left side corner, monetization and every payment. You will be get based on upload, your monetization will be eligible and reaching the audience, your earnings will be increased on the particular Facebook platform. Don't forget these 5 steps commonly maintained to the uploading videos on Facebook, same like the YouTube like. So your earning will be possible through Facebook and through YouTube option. So yes, guys, any further question can contact my channel. I definitely will be support any Facebook inquiry, any questions about the Facebook marketing. I definitely support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.